Axxess is the most trusted software provider in home healthcare. Here are the top 5 reasons why organizations choose Axxess to help run their business. Number 1, improve patient outcomes. Our intuitive reports show detailed data to help spot opportunities to better treat patients. Number 2, increase revenue. Our revenue cycle management solution can bill all payers. Cleaner claims mean you get paid more and get paid faster. Number 3, decreased cost. You'll reduce overhead with our easy-to-use solutions. Real-time updates give you data that helps you work smarter. Number 4, streamlined operations. Our intuitive scheduling and real-time collaboration increase productivity and maximize efficiency. Number 5, ensure compliance. Compliance-driven workflows help you stay safe and survey-ready. These are 5 big reasons more than 7,000 organizations trust Axxess for solutions that improve care for more than 2 million patients nationwide. Visit Axxess.com to learn more.
Axxess, empowering care anytime, anywhere.